Hi, how you doing? Andrew Carr here. Thanks for coming to this page. Thanks for putting in your email address and your name. And you want to learn how to make money online, we can show you that absolutely. My aim for you is to make 2 to 3 sales, $1,000 sales per month. And if you follow everything in this video, you can do it. I'm telling you, it is possible. Now, you join PLS, you put your username in there. Now you got to log into PLS, put your username in there, put a password in there, log in. Once you've logged in, you'll come to this page here. Ace and Rich, they're trainers for coaches for Power Lead System. They train every Monday and Thursday. Every week they train twice a week. So click to register to join. And you click in there to enter Power Lead System. But when I'm going to do that, I'm going to show you this page here. This is my Power Lead System sign up page. Give this page to your leads, which you will get from Udemy, which will go into depth. Give this page to your leads. I'm going to play this video here of Ace and Rich. They're going to show you how to set your funnel up in in 5 or 6 minutes. They're going to show you how to set your funnel up with Udemy. So, like I say, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to join Udemy there. Click to join Udemy. It's simple to join. Name, email, password, sign up. Simple as that. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to join the Power Lead System group. Nearly 50,000 members. Click there to join. Join the group. Next thing, you're watching the video here now. That's what you're watching. Another link there to join Udemy. This video here, this will show you how to make. It will guide you to get sign up at MTI. MTI $1,997 to join, but you can get a discount. Power Lead System are giving a $500 discount, and you can get another discount if you come in with me. So you won't be paying $1,997. But what all will be explained in this video, in that video there. Join Fire Your Boss funnel. That's the funnel what got you to this page. Or if you came in on the Cash Now funnel, watch the Fire Your Boss funnel. So whichever funnel you've come in, if you've come in on the Fire Your Boss funnel, I suggest, in fact, I implore you to watch this. Click on there and watch the Cash Now funnel. Frank Calabro Jr. is selling the PLS. The same PLS system, what the Fire Your Boss funnel is. It's the same system you're buying. It's just a different way he marketed it. He goes more in depth. It's copy and paste, but it's more in depth, more training videos. I suggest you watch that. He breaks it down simply. If you just get 24 members, you're making $61,000 a year. If you get 24 paying members, you're making $103,000 a year. Watch this funnel, Cash Now funnel, but watch those after you've set your funnel up. So whichever funnel you're coming, watch either or. You can contact me on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. You can, in fact, direct message me. Click on there, direct message me on Facebook Messenger. Click on that link there, you can direct message me. Now, like I said, as promised, I'm going to play that video of Ace and Rich setting up your funnel. So, you've come in on the Fire Your Boss funnel. Ace and Rich, they're trainers at the Power Lead System. They're going to show you how you're going to set your funnel up in 5 or 6 minutes. Are you going to go to Udemy, which you've joined, to give to the vendor, and they're going to show you how you're going to get 200 clicks to that link, get eyeballs to that link, and people join up from that link. And then, this is the first step which you need to do to get going. Then once you've done that, come back to here, step 2, and I'll show you what's going on in that video there. Okay, so the Ace and Rich video will be coming up next.
system, this is what we see. We see the registration for the Fast Start training, right? This is what you're on right now. So as you start to build your business with Thoroughly System, all the people that you brought into the system by your marketing you're going to be doing, they're going to see this page first, which is important for you because this is called duplication. You want to duplicate the process, so that way you don't have to do the heavy lifting, we do that for you, okay? So right here, you register on Monday, register on Thursday, and Monday is at 12 p.m., just like right now, and Thursday is at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time as well. So now, once we do that, we're going to click on this button right here, click here to enter PLS, and then we are going to go to the Getting Started section, and as you can see right here, there's some buttons for you to click on, okay? And as you can see, when I look at this page, I look at simple steps, all right? I don't see any overwhelm. I don't see any confusion. There are some updates coming where it's going to be even a lot more simple to follow. But the first thing I want you to focus on when you look at this page is add your domain, all right? That is the first thing I want you to do. Click on there and it says add your domain, all right? Let me blow this up a little bit so you guys see a little bit better. Does that help? All right, cool. So when you click on that button, you're going to see this page here, and you're going to add a domain. Now, you might be brand new. You don't know what to, call your domain name, which is your website that you're going to, be promoting. And we're going to give you some tips and some ideas so you don't get lost and confused, and you can just get up and run. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on this little box right here, and I am going to type in work with Ace, right?
Use my name,
right?
yeah.
Work with Ace, right? And the .com is there automatically, okay? Or you can put get paid with Ace, right? And if you got some great other ideas, you can add those as well. I like using stuff like global profit, takeover, right? Words like that. So you have different ideas that you can really choose from on what kind of domain you want to create for your website. So that way you can start getting up there and start promoting. That's really what we're here for, is to promote and start building our businesses. Okay? So now, once you do that, you're going to click on this green button, and it says, domain names already taken. That's what I told you. So, but as you know, and let's say that that's taken, okay? No problem. Just go back. All right, and I'm gonna actually do get paid with Ace. Okay, and .com's already automatically for me. I'm gonna click this green button again. As you can see, hey, it's available. Awesome. So you gotta check off these boxes, right? And now it's gonna charge the card that you have on file that you signed up with the Thoroughly System. So just charge it right now, and then you'll have your domain name. All right, it's that simple, guys. Now what we need to do is we need to connect this domain to your website to start building your business. You start promoting. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the Getting Started once you have your domain name, and now we're going to click on the Easy button. So now, as you can see right here, I'm going to scroll down, and we're going to choose the third funnel, Fire Your Boss funnel. All right? Now show me the link to use. Click on there. And as you can see, I have already several links already created. All right? And the one that I have that I'm using is Global Profit Formula. So over here, I'm going to add a name. So this is going to be changing things into a subdomain. Don't get overwhelmed. It's nothing confusing. It's just a fancy, term for like a nickname.
Like a nickname.
A domain. That's all it is
right.
For your website. So I'm going to choose a name like, you choose, let's say, Ace and Rich, right? I can use that. Put your name if you want, right? So I'm going to choose Create, okay? And when I choose Create, it's going to, you can see it right here on the top. It's aceandrich.globalprofitformula.com. Remember, the domain that I purchased was globalprofitformula.com. So all I did was just put a name in front of it, and it could be anything. It could be sales, right? So it's really, really really simple to get up and running, guys, because by me clicking on this link, guess what? I'm ready to start marketing. That fast. Okay? Now give me a one in the chat if you found that one of the most easiest ways that you've ever seen, okay, to get your business up and running. Give me a one. Awesome. Everybody can do that, right? Very simple, no confusion. All right? So now that we have our page and we're ready to just rock and roll and get out there and start, promoting and start building our business site, it's free to sign up. Let's log in. And now we are in. We're in like Flynn. All right. So now what we're going to do is we are going to go where it says Find Sellers. Right here at the top. Find Sellers. So we're going to click on there, and all these sellers just pop up out of nowhere. Right? You're like, whoa, I got all these people. What do I do? Right? Very simple, guys. Again, we're going to go back and we're going to grab our link. Remember, we created acerich.globalprofitformula.com. We're going to grab that link. I copied it, right? Right-click copy. And we're going to go back to Udemy. And I want to find a vendor where I can promote my business. Right? Very simple. And the prices are very affordable. I go 44 cents, 59 cents. And that's per click. That means that how many people are looking at your website, right? To start promoting. That's all that means. So I'm going to choose this person right here, okay, top one. And as you can see, it says, Mohammed said, Azui, something like that. He's from Turkey. And I'm going to choose buy solo, right? Because what we're doing is we're tapping into somebody's other big list before you create your own. This is the leverage and the opportunity we have to really build our business lightning fast, okay? So what I like to do is I don't really go for the gusto like most people do. Like, they'll do 1,000 clicks, like, oh, wait, I can just start getting all these people in. No. Slow your roll. Slow down. Let's be smart about our money, okay? And let's back it up. And let's go to 200 clicks, okay? Because what we want to do is we want to test. Marketing is nothing more than testing.
That's right.
Okay? So I'm going to start at 200 clicks. And I'm going to actually put my link right here. See where it says acerich.globalprofitformula.com, and I'm going to just click on checkout. And as soon as I click on checkout, I immediately can pay with my PayPal or my debit card. Super easy. And before you know it, you'll have eyeballs looking at your website that you can promote Power Lead System with. Now give me a one, guys. Is that exciting? Isn't it amazing we can get our business up and running that fast? I don't know about you, but I've seen so many systems out there that we are constantly trying to get designed for you to get you marketing as fast as humanly possible. All right? So I'm excited. I don't know about you, but I'm super excited about getting out there and start promoting. Now.
Okay, guys. How easy was that? How easy was that? It showed you to log into your Power Lead system. It showed you to go to the Easy tab. You scroll down. You scroll down to the Fire Your Boss funnel. You click on there. Then it told you to get your link, whichever link. If you're brand new, you will only have one link in there. You copy that link, whatever link it is. It'll be the Fire Your Boss link. You right click, you copy it, copy link address. You go over to Udemy, you give it to the vendor like which showed you. You pay for it, boom, you're gonna get traffic coming to your website. It's as easy as that, guys. That's the first step. So the next step, do that first. The next step will be in this second video here. If you want all these bonuses, there's a vacation in there as well. We've got Cancun, we've got Miami, Las Vegas, we've got Paris, south of France, we've got London, Edinburgh, all over the world. We've got Dubai, we've got them all over the place. You got to come in at MTA, the $1,000 level, to get those bonuses. That's in that video. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Step 1 completed.